Guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to insert SIM card in Xiaomi 12 Pro smartphone. So before we start the video, you should subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. So this one is a Xiaomi 12 Pro. So in this phone, the SIM tray is located on the bottom side. So this one is a SIM tray, you can see. We need to insert the SIM ejector tool into this hole like this. Now we need to take the SIM tray out. So this one is a SIM tray. So we can insert two nano SIM cards at a time. By facing the golden plated side on the top, you need to lay down that SIM card. Then I insert another SIM card also. So after inserting, you need to insert this setup to the phone. Now successfully inserted. So wait for a few seconds. Now the phone signal is came. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.